We have a lot of different products in a lot of different areas. Because right now I've been producing products constantly.
Right.
I'm working, this is like a major mission for me. Like I have a fabric line under Mercy Dupree Clothinaires, which is DRC Ventures. It protects you against the environment. It will help with anti-aging. It makes sure that your children aren't impacted by pollution and 5G and EMFs that are bad, because there's good and bad with all of that. It makes sure that the pollution isn't impacting them, because when a baby is in the mother's womb, the mother is putting inside of them the heavy metals, and then when they go out into this world, they're getting it more and more. I wasn't shocked about the pandemic. Our world is off balance. We have got to empower our lives, and we have to start with us. Like, I wanted to start with the environment, and then I realized if I don't start with people, I'm not going to be able to make changes all over the world, and we can become extinct. People are worried about depopulation. You're right? We can't make it unless we do something.